For a decade, Jamaica and Haiti stood close, but language kept us far. Two islands, one heartbeat. Long lost family divided by words, but today we reach out. Jamaica calling Haiti. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Haiti are reaching out. Long lost family come gather round. Can you hear me? The spirit talk across the sea. Jamaica call Haiti. Two islands, one destiny. Fiji Kefi side by side, but still divided. Language build a whole culture get quieted. But me break that now, me step on violation. Jamaica to Haiti, full unification. Mwen vle pale, mwen vle tande, mwen vle kompran. Paske nou gen mem from the fenna to the sun. Real family lose, but destiny bring we back. Kingston to Port-au-Prince, the bridge never crack. Me say unity, that are the real foundation. Two island rise with one vibration. Haiti fam can evaporate till when me reach for you, me brother talk to me again. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Haiti are reaching out. Long lost family come gather. Can you hear me? The spirit talk across the sea. Jamaica call Haiti. Two islands, one destiny. Can you hear me? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Can you hear me?